Hey, on action now, you know what you're going to do? You're going to throw this rice and this head of fish down. You're going to pour it and throw it on the ground. And then this drink now, you're going to open it and pour it on the ground. Then you match it. So, come on, rolling. Sound. 1, 2, 3. I'm rolling now. Action.
Director, wait. So it's how go pour this rice, like all of the rice for ground.
On action, you're going to pour all of them, including the head of fish and the drink. Just throw them on the ground, then mash them. Then you go inside the kitchen. So camera rolling now. 1, 2, action.
Director, wait, including the fish.
That I said, pour the food down.
Director, pour all of them.
Pour all of them, yes, and match it.
Including the drink.
All of them, pour it down. I'm rolling now. Camera on you. 1, 2, go. Action.
You not let me do.
Madam, you want art or no want art?
I want art, sir.
Madam, on action, you're going to throw. This is the last time I'm correcting you. On action, you're going to throw this food.
Hey.
You're going to throw this food, including this head of fish.
Hey,
Including this head of fish. On action, you're going to throw it down. Then pour this drink down. And then, you understand? 1, 2, action. Stop eating and I say action. Come back here. Hey, bring that food. Bring that food. You will never add in Nollywood again. You will never add again. You will never add again.